Welcome back to the Ghana Travel and Event channel. If this is the first time you are going on Voyager of the Seas or you want to know about Voyager of the Seas, this video can help you. We have made several video series that will help you with everything you need to know about Voyager of the Seas. You can check the video in the link above. In this video, we are going to review Windjammer Cafe. We take our second day lunch at Windjammer Cafe. This is not very crowded because today is port day, so some people are exploring Port Klang, Malaysia. I prefer to stay at the ship and enjoy the facilities here. I suggest you find a place to sit first, then choose your meal. Let's explore. There is a lot of variety food from Western, European, Chinese to Indian food. Okay, my plate is full. Let me finish the food first, then we explore again. This is a buffet restaurant, so it is all you can eat. But please finish your food, do not waste. Let's explore more. This is the Indian food. They are also prepared for vegetarian. Let's eat. This is the view from our dining table. We are docking at Port Klang now. Let's see the breakfast at Windjammer. This is the last day. We came at 8 AM. It is already very crowded. More light meal compared to lunch. Let's order some coffee. Let's enjoy the food. want to try this cereal. Can take several if you want. The cereal box is finished after my breakfast. The cereal box is finished after my breakfast. Looks like a lot of people take it back to their room. Overall, it is a very good restaurant with a lot of food variety. The taste is good. I can eat here for 4 days if I want to. Accompanied by this beautiful view of the sea. The negative side is, sometimes it is very crowded, so you need to wait for people to finish their meal. This is the 5th video of the cruise series. You can check the first video about the room and ship tour in the link above. The second video about activities and games in the link above. Ice Odyssey show in the link above. Dance and singing performance at Voyager of the Seas in the link above. And Sapphire Dining Room review in the link above. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when I posted the new video. See you next week.